Today I'm going to attempt to show you how to make one of my favorite dishes, Pokebowl with salmon. So put on your seatbelt and get ready to rock and roll. Diced red onion, jalapenos, daikon radishes, green onion, carrot, cilantro, cucumber slices, limes. I already pre-made my sushi grade rice. This is literally rice called sushi rice. You can use any rice you want, but I prefer the sushi rice. If you have Mirin sauce, then that's a sauce that you would mix in to the sushi rice. If you don't, then you can use regular white vinegar or rice vinegar if you're lucky enough, and add sugar and add maybe 3 or 4 tablespoons of the mixture. Fluff that around once you've added that in there. And have fresh, so I'm using canned non-GMO corn. Yes, indeed. All nice and cooked shrimps. Just kidding. Shrimps. Avocado, which is one of sushi grade. So ask looks like after you have cut up, chopped up, and prepared everything that it takes. Bam! So this is the finished product. Bon appetit!